How to book metro tickets using the Where is my train application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can check out the metro tickets using the Where is my train application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply download the Where is my train application from Play Store, or Apple iOS users may download it from the App Store. And once you have successfully downloaded the Where is my train application and installed it into your system, simply tap on the app icon to open it. And once the application launches, you will be greeted with this particular screen. Now in this screen, you need to tap onto these three horizontal lines present at the top left corner. And from here you can see this third option that says select city for metro or local trains. So simply click onto this select city option and it will give you all of the cities for which currently the metro tickets are available within the Where is my train application. So simply choose the city and then click onto this OK button. The moment you will do this, you have two options. The first one is the express or regular trains, and the second option is the metro train. So simply click onto this metro button, and from here you can choose between the source and the destination station. So from here simply click onto this station and choose a from station, and then towards the destination station you can choose the destination station. And once you have successfully entered the source and the destination station, simply click onto this find trains, and from here you can see all of the trains or routes that go between these two particular stations. So you can choose any of the routes according to your preference, and once you will do this, it will show you all of the stations that appear in between and the status as well. So that's how easily you can get the status of the metro trains using the Where is my train application. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.